So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the timing of your presentation or your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, I'm just going to create a mock presentation. So the first slide right here is going to be, I'll just make it the color, what's a good example here? I'll make it the color red. I'll make another page here. This one will be the color black. I'll make a third one, the color kind of like a teal. Fourth one, color purple. This is my presentation. Now, if you want to adjust the timing, for example, of each slide, the simplest way to do is actually press on the slide right here, open up this top bar to where it says 5 seconds or it says edit timing, press on that. If you wanted to make all of which 5 seconds, you can do that. I'll just make all of them 2 seconds right here. I'll press on apply to all pages, then press on enter right here. So if we were to go ahead and present this thing right here, we'll try to get a presentation going right here. There we go. I will just present it right here. We'll just present right here. It's now going to be going just like this here. My timing actually isn't working super well. I think I actually pressed the wrong thing. I will just press on autoplay right here. Set speed to automatically play, present right here. Everything should be 2 seconds if I'm not mistaken. As you can tell, they are all 2 seconds in duration. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to adjust or edit the timing of your presentation here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.